Hello, my friends. In this episode, let's talk about the signals again. As I explained about blocks, by right click we can see the details of block. You can do so for signals. If you right click on the signal, all the actions that we could do on the block, you can do on signals here. For example, delete, copy, paste, and other things that we had in blocks too. But the new feature is highlighting the signal. You can highlight it in two ways. One way is highlight signal to source, and the other way is highlight signal to destination. If I click on highlight to destination, you can see the signal and destination block are highlighted. You can remove also the highlight by remove highlighting, or if you click on highlight signal to source, you can see that signal and source block are highlighted. The important point about the signals is that if you double click on the signal, you can name it, for example, signal X. Then you can recall it anywhere with the blocks that are related to signals. In format, you can change the font size, font size. There are other options, but they are not important. We have here properties option, which in the documentation you can enter the information of that signal. Also here we have limit data. We had it in the scope too. If we activate it, we can limit the data. Okay, thank you. Thanks for being with us. We hope you found this episode effective. Goodbye.